Hello.
Hello.
So we already explained about the pool noodle roll activity. So today we're going to demonstrate it. So remember at the bottom there is a Velcro strap here that's going to match with flashcards. So they stick. Kids will roll the poodle noodle down and they will get the flashcard. Today's has a letter P or a letter O. And they can use the expression I'm fast or I'm faster based on who wins. So instead of saying win or loser, we can use vocabulary words fast, faster. So number one, they can learn. And number two, we won't have a loser today. So let's see, we're gonna use our kids so you can see how our children do it. And you can use it with big groups or just one or two kids to make it fun.
Hey,
Let's do it.
let's do it.
Okay girls, today we're gonna do pool noodle roll up. This once was a pool noodle. We cut it. We put a ribbon so you can roll it up and roll it down. At the bottom of your pool noodle is a letter O. When you roll it up, you're gonna have to say a word that starts with that letter. So you can think about your word as you roll. But we're gonna see today who is fast and who is faster. So when you finish, you're gonna say, faster! But if you finish second, you can say, I'm fast. And then you say your word. Ooh, that's like 3 things. You think you can do it?
Yes.
Wait till we count you in. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, roll.
Octopus.
Okay, and are you fast or faster?
Faster.
Uh-huh, what about fast, and what's your word?
Octopus.
That's what she said. What's another O word?
She said.
What's another word that starts with O?
Ostrich.
Oh, that's a good one. I was thinking of a color. Oh, are you ready?
Yes.
Wait a second, they're kind of twisted. Why don't we unroll them? Okay, ready? Spaghetti,
Yes.
go! Roll, 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 roll.
I'm faster. Wait, what is it? M. Noodle.
Noodle. Okay, what about you, Tara? I'm fast.
P. I'm fast. Penguin.
Oh, very good, girls. This is fun. Let's jump up and down.